Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog ay tungkol po sa ating pababalik Star Music. Sino kaya to ba? Subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto ba guys, shares and comments and views aabutin ng 500 if supportan natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog for day 345, episode 345 entitled Welcome Back Ice sa Star Music. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ng highlights for today. Okay, nagbalik Star Music na si Ice Higuera after 10 years. Nagstay sa Universal Records from Universal. Nabalik Star Music na ulit si Ice, but this time with Fire and Ice Music. At ang title ng kanilang album na yung August 8, 2025 entitled Being Ice. Kasi kung from becoming to being, kasi supposedly yung title ng talaga album I Am Ice, pero ayaw ng Star siya na ganyan. Kasi ayaw na I am, gusto ko being ice. B-E-I-N-G. Ayan. Yeah, being ice na. Features all 10. Yan. All 10. All 10 original songs with no revival cover song. Walang cover songs. O, lahat original songs. Okay? Walang revival songs. Yan, sa August 8. While on June 27 naman, we have a first release from the new album Be Ice, which is a single release sa June 27. Ang title ay Shatter of the Broken, Be Ice Higuera. First single, ang career single, this coming Friday, June 27. Yes, pre-save na po ang kanta ni Ice Higuera sa Spotify, Apple Music, and other digital platforms worldwide na yung June 27. Supportan natin Abang Ice under Fire and Ice Music and Star Music. After nabalik Star Music, yung kantang Ang Tanging Mamahali or ATM by Ice Higuera ay approved entries na po for the 38 AWI Awards 2025 for Best Traditional or Contemporary Folk Recording and Best Performances by Solo Artists composed by Francis Concepcion. Siyempre, good luck sa AWI Award. And good luck sa ating bagong album na Be Ice, scheduled August 8 and single release on June 26. Kasi matatapos ng Pride Ride with the Band. Yes, sa Friday. We love you, Ice. Thanks for watching. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.